Hey there, I figured it would be more helpful to have a video. So what I did is I just did this out, um, and let me explain to you this concept. What we're doing is we're trying to create a liter of solution, and what we want to know is how much we want to know how much of this solute to put into the solvent. And so here we have C12H22O11. Um, there are 12 carbons, and if we go to our periodic table right here, the mass of carbon is 12 atomic mass units, or 12 AMUs. So we're going to multiply 12 times 12 equals 144. That's 144 grams per mole. So if you have a mole of them, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, if you had that many of them, which is a lot, 20 carbons, if you had that many carbons, you would have 144 grams of carbon. It's a little abstract, I know. So hydrogen, we have in this molecule, C12H22O11, there's 22 hydrogens. If we go back to our periodic table, the atomic mass is 1 AMU. You can see that right here. And oxygen, there's 11 oxygens, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So we multiply 11 molecules times 16 atomic mass units to get 176 grams per mole. And so then we just add these masses up. So 144 plus 22 plus 176 gives us 342 grams. And then this right here, this is kind of confusing. To make a molar solution, a 1 molar solution, you would use 342 grams of this substance with 1 liter of water. So then we would have a very specific concentration of a solution. So I did this next one out for you as well. If we wanted to do a 0.5 molar glucose solution. And so this should make a little bit of sense. Let me know if you have any more questions. I am happy to help you out.